told you I might do a challenge, but I changed my mind for the challenge. I'm just gonna be playing with slime, like slime people do. Yeah, just gonna watch me. So, it's quiet. But it's quiet. And this slime's sticky. So, ready? This is slime. Yeah, so make sure you like this slime video. I will be doing more slime videos. This is just one slime video today. Zoom into this coral. I don't think this is a nice swirl. This is enough slime playing for today. But I will be doing another video today. So be prepared. Peace, guys. Hope you not. I'll be doing more videos today, and I'm gonna show you the little sports before I can do it. Ready? So you think I'm cheating? I'm not cheating. Oh, shirt. I'm gonna show you one more thing. I can do this. And yeah, so